Yo, people, welcome to pasta sauce
That's what we could use
for the rice. You know, I'm gonna be making it, and we're gonna make it samosa,
Okay.
rice, and we will come back. So what's happening right now is we are boiling the water so we can make the tomato tomato and salsa sauce. We put a bit of this thing in there as well, make it nice and spicy. We got samosas, pan, everything getting nice and warm, nice and hot.
Yeah.
This is gonna be a huge, after a long time, you know. We'll come back soon. So what we do now, we're gonna add turmeric powder.
He was deeply hurt by that big cup.
Turmeric powder. I'm gonna put it in there.
See what else there is in here? Okay, your ass is in the way.
Don't
still got recorded.
Don't dare stare at it. There you go.
And it's there, yeah.
We've just put a bit of turmeric powder.
It's being recorded.
Now we're gonna put a bit of chili flakes onto it, add a bit of flavour.
Put it in a palm.
Bit of chili flakes in there. Chili flakes put on. And then what we do. Ooh, hot and spicy. We've got hot and spicy seasoning by Raja. We pour it in. Yeah. Pour it in, and then what we do. What is this? And then this is the fish curry powder. We pour a little bit in, not too much. Yeah. And then what you do, well, no, we don't need that, What's this? I wonder what this is. No, popcorn seeds. We're gonna be, oh, that's salt. And then what you do, you pour a bit of salt. Put a bit of salt in there, very nicely. You put salt. Now what you do, stir up, make the flavour go everywhere, you know. Stir up nicely. Stir it up good. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Stir up nicely. Yeah, stir good. Yeah, colour, yeah. So we're gonna put the tomatoes and salsas inside. Perfect for the rice. Yeah, we're making it like a gravy, you know, a little bit of like a gravy-ish, dal-ish type of thing, you know. Running thing for the rice, you know. Because you can't really have the rice dry and dull, so yeah. Smells good. Let it heat up in a medium heat. Let it heat up. We'll be back soon. So just to add a little bit of sweet and sourness to it, we add a bit of lemon juice, you know, lemon dressing. We pour it up a little bit. And then what you do, there's a bit of tomato puree. There'll be a tomato puree inside. It's not that much, but from the bottom, you have to squeeze it from the bottom. Look at that. Look at that erupt nicely. Look at that. Looks like if it's taking a shit, but it's not really taking a shit, but look at that. Ooh. Dump. Come on. That's what happens, isn't it? Back of the toilet. There's always one stuck. You know? You can't be talking about this. I think the chili's making me choke. Yeah, the chili's making me choke. Now we stir it up again. Let the tomato puree go everywhere. Nice and, you know, lovely stuff. Is the rice already cooked, or is it? Does it need to be pre-cooked again?
No, it's a bit cold.
Okay, don't worry. I'll do it for the video. I'll do it nicely. So now, what you do, have a salsa, you know, hot salsa sauce a bit. deep. Shake a little bit. You know what? Pull out of it. And what you do is you stir it up. Stir it up nicely, you know. Stir it up. Stir it up nicely, stir it up good. Lovely jubbly. So now, the sauce is done. Now we're going to be boiling the rice. It's going to be very nice. We're going to be boiling the rice. It'll be nice and lovely. So now the rice is boiling, sauce is ready, so now we're going to be frying samosas. So what you do, get sunflower oil, whatever oil you want, it's up to you, but then you put it on there. Not too much because we're not fat, no? Not too much so, because we're not fat. Then what you do is stir it out, you rotate it everywhere, you know. Sure the oil is everywhere, you know. If not, if you can't do it, use a spoon. If it works. Yeah. Oil is there. Let it heat up nicely, you know. Gordon Ramsay says put in a hot pan. Hot pan for a couple of minutes. So now you can hear it and you can see sizzling, popping and it's nice and sexy. So now you take a samosa out. You take a samosa out and then take a step back. Oh, I thought it was going to fizzle and pop. So now, put it here. Get another one. They're frozen. They're stuck together. Fall. Get another one. You put it here. Yeah. You get another one. Put it in there. Make a nice circle of triangles. Don't worry, we're not part of the Illuminati, but put a nice circle of triangles. Make sure they're all nicely cooked. And what you do? Another one. Woo. This time it's not really feisty this time. It's behaving itself. Yeah. See? This one's nice and... I think we can have two each. Correct. I don't think it's... Yeah. Put one in the middle. Oh, there's two left now, so... Yeah. So look, nicely shaped and spaced. Soon, let it sizzle, let it heat. You know? Let it sizzle. Let it heat up nicely. You're gonna have to put it in a plate. Right? Now we just have to wait. So while the samosas are getting a bit sizzled and popped, what we're going to be doing, add a little bit more oil to it, so then One more left. What we can do while the samosas are here, getting nice and sizzled, we can mix the sauce with the rice.
Oh, very clever. Usually people just pour it on right after the rice gets on the plate. Yeah.
And now, sauce is on. Stir it up nicely. Stir it up, you know. The rice and the sauce. Stir it up nicely. And now, while it's heating up, I think just put in a lid and then when the water will go off, don't it?
The lid's underneath here.
Okay.
Motion fits.
Oh, I know. So the water goes quickly. Put one with the holes in it, and then what you do is put it like this. That's it.
Oh.
And now,
The steam comes at the same time. That's beautiful.
look. And now,
Beautiful.
what you do? Put in medium low heat.
It's beautiful.
There you go. Now the steam's gonna go up.
Right, yeah.
Rice will be nice. Let's see if it's nice. Nearly. I don't know, if I put it between... Put it in here. Yeah, if I put it here. Maybe in the middle so it's bigger and better. Oh.
I know some of it. Wait a second. You just
Oh.
done that for a while, no? Technical fault there. I would find that one then.
Yeah, we'll just stick with this one. Put in high heat so then it cooks quicker.
Yes.
When it's done, we'll show you.
You watch that out of here? Taking away? It's a little salmon. It's a little salmon, yeah.
Bit more brown. This one's nice and brown. And this one's nice and brown. This one is brown. Yes. This one is brown. Yeah. This one, just a bit more. This one, a little bit more. This one, a little bit more. And this one, a little bit more. So yeah. Now we just have to. Let it sizzle, let it boil, let it do what it needs to be done. So now you can see samosa's done nicely and nice salsa dipped, flavoured rice, nice and spicy. Finished product done. Very good.